So in recent years, many have been put off Facebook ads because the cost of these ads have been on the rise. But if we take a look on screen here, it paints a very different picture we can see. Although the cost of someone viewing your Facebook ad has increased year on year, the CPM, the average cost of someone clicking on your ad, the cost per click here has remained relatively stable year on year across the last 4 years, actually at about 40 cents cost per click. And also the average Facebook user still clicks on 12 ads per month. And 78% of users in the US have made purchases through Facebook ads. That's still quite a lot, but it is definitely more challenging these days to create ads that are profitable, but it can still be done. The answer is to create an optimized ad that is personalized for the user, which is what we've been doing right here with our own ads. But it's something surprisingly, that businesses still aren't doing well. In this full video tutorial, I'll guide you through the best way to run an optimized Facebook and Instagram ad this year by going over everything from the setup of Ads Manager all the way through to creating the best video ads that bring buyers to your business and not the other way around. If this all sounds good to you, drop a like on this video, make sure you're subscribed, and let's get stuck right into today's video tutorial. The first thing you want to do is head onto the URL businessfacebook.com. And as you can see on screen here, Meta has changed the look and interface immediately of the sign-up page. And what they've done here is they've made it a lot more easier, a lot more simple to guide new users who are about to create ads. So you're going to go ahead and set up an account by clicking Create an Account, and then you're going to log into your Facebook account. So I'm going to log into my dummy account, which I've just created, so I can guide you guys through this tutorial. So make sure you go ahead and sign in, then sign up for account and just follow the guide. The very first thing that you want to do is familiarize yourself with the interface and with your tools, because you're going to be spending a lot of time in this portal. So you want to make sure that you know what you're doing and you know where everything is. The very first thing to do then is click Ads Manager on the left-hand side. And then from here you're going to see the very famous Facebook Ads interface. And this is where we're going to be creating all our ads. I want to quickly show you what to look out for here and the main important sort of interface tools that we want to be using. So at the very top of your ad structure is your campaigns. So this is where we create campaigns for your products, your services, whatever you're selling. And I'll get into that in a moment on how to structure all of this. But at the very top, you have your campaigns. Once you click into it, you have your ad sets, and this is where you modify all the different targeting options, your audiences. Then when you go deeper into your ad sets, and imagine this as like a branch, a tree branch that grows wider and wider. At the very bottom level you have your ads. And with your ads, this is where you control the creative, the video, the images, the copy, the offer, that sort of stuff. And so that's the main sort of structure when it comes to a Facebook ad and an Instagram ad. And these are the important tools that I also want to show you. So if you click on the 3 bars here, this is where we can see different metrics when we start to optimize our ad. Again, I'll go into more detail about this later in the video, but I just want to give you a general idea because this is pretty important stuff. So you can filter by setup, by delivery, by engagement, and look at different metrics and stats when we optimize ads. This is a really important tool. Then we can also filter by time, by delivery, and by action. So you can filter by age, gender, country, region, etc., and then also by time and things like that. Then you can use the breakdown tool here to see the specific stats. You can also draw out reports and bot them. And then there's more tools like A/B split testing, which is split testing different ads together. You can delete ads here and add rules and manage your pre-existing rules. So those are some of the top-level type tools that we can use immediately right on the interface. But now let's move on to how to actually create an ad and how to create an effective one and where to start, because I know it's pretty intimidating when you first start with Facebook and Instagram ads. So let's answer where to start and how to start. And a very common question I get is, how do we begin to personalize the ads to your own business? And it's been a pretty tough question to answer because every business is so different.